As we have already discussed 3-4 classes on Java, from introduction to data type, variables, features of the Java, let us today discuss one of the major portion of Java, that is called escape sequence. Sequences. If you see this is a major part of the programming. If you have to give a complete documentation of your output screen, you must have an idea about the escape sequence. Now let us first see a table here. What is covering here? At the left column there is escape sequence, and at the right column there is a description. The very fast I will write here, this is an escape sequence. Sir, whom we called escape sequence? You see that this is stand for the octal number. What number? Octal number. If you every escape sequence to print is used in Java, to print a, what you have to print here? To print a character. This is the most important thing. You may use different escape sequence to print the character. What are the characters are specified here? What type of the character we are dealing here? This is called octal number. Backslash with 3D. D stands for the digit of the octal, 0 to 7, any digit from 0 to 7. Now let us take into another escape sequence, that is called, we could write here X, X, X. There is no space here, although I am writing 4. What is this idea? This is stand for the hexa number. This is for hexa. Sir, what again I am repeating that these are all these type of escape sequence to print a character. Actually, if you see this Unicode, Java support Unicode, have around 0 to 60, or if you see the range here, 0 to 65,535. Such number of, there are 65,536 number of characters. Such number of characters. Even if beyond of this also there are some of the characters which could not be fit into the 2 byte, that also I will discuss here. Third category, that this is called single code escape sequence, single code. This is called double code escape sequence. It's called double code. Okay, and you can see everybody know about the slash n. It's called line feed or line break. This is called carriage return. And slash r. Okay, this is slash r, carriage return. You can have slash t, tab space. You have to, for instance, you may sometimes see somebody say that tab space is 2 characters, 3 characters. Define on, you can define these, your tab size, tab space, and you see that there is a form feed, How many I have not? I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there are two more such are there here. There are two more. What are there? Even if you can use backslash, you want to create a task space, you have to use slash d, you have to use the form field. If you use the new line, you want to give a new line, you have to use slash n. You want to put double quote in your string, you put it like this, automatically double quote will be printed. I will show you. You want to display a single quote, you write it. You want to print a character, but you have to give in hexadecimal notation, you have to give this one. If you want to print a character, it is given you in octal equivalent, octal number equivalent of a character. So character will be printed if you write in this escape sequence format. Now the last one, if you see here, we have one more with that, slash b, this is called backspace. So there are 10 such escape sequence, you should know how to use them. These are the 10 such escape sequence. Now we will see one after another. Now let us go to escape sequence. Hereafter I will write here what escape sequence I am going to use here. VT. Suppose let I have to print ASCII character A. I have to print the ASCII character A. So I can write here like this, system dot out dot println. I want to write here in the double quote, I'll write here slash 141. Actually it is equivalent of a character. It is equivalent of a character. And if you want to, this is escape sequence. Now write for the second one slash u xxx. How to use this? Right here. Suppose I will use hexadecimal notation for the same character A. I can write like this. Let us have to print ASCII character A here. What I have to write here? I will write here system dot out dot println. Within this I will write here 0061. Sir, how I have written? Would you knowing that the hexadecimal equivalent, see, this is notation of 16, this is also the character 97 decimal. Here 141 is the octal equivalent, which is equal to 97 decimal notation. Similarly, third category, you have to print single quote. Print single quote. So what escape sequence you have to use? You have to print single quote. So we have to use like this. Suppose I have to print this character A. Suppose I want output A. What I can write here? Whatever maybe I want to write here. So I will write like this, system dot out dot print A, and right here suppose I have to print capital A, but it will show you it is only output A. But if you want to put in single quote, so you have to write here backslash before that one, single quote, after A write a backslash single quote. So this is the single quote. Now suppose you have to print double quote, you have to print the double quote. What you have to do that? So what is the double quote escape sequence? Backslash double quote. I want something, I'll write welcome. I don't want to write like this, I want to print in welcome with double string. Double quote. So what I'll write here, system dot out dot println